Hi guys, today we are going to discuss the topic about optical amplifier. So, what is optical amplifier? Definition. Optical amplifier is a device that amplifies the optical signal without converting to electrical signal. That is, it's a device that it's a device that amplifies optical signal without converting to electrical signal. So what is optical amplifier means? It's a device that amplifies the optical signal but without converting to electrical signal. But in case of regenerator means, in case of regenerator, it will amplify the optical signal but converting to electrical signal. That is the difference between optical amplifier and regenerator. Okay, this will convert to electrical signal and then amplifies to optical signal. So the major advantages having optical amplifier is that optical amplifier has insensitive to bitrate and modulation format, but regenerators are specific to bitrate and modulation format. That is, regenerators are specific to bitrate and modulation format. But optical amplifiers have insensitive to bitrate. So first we are going to discuss the topic about optical amplifier definitions. Definitions means optical amplifier is a device that amplifies the optical signal without converting to electrical signal. But in regenerators, it will convert the electrical signal and then amplifies the optical signal. These are many processes we have to done in regenerator. So, optical amplifier has more advantages than regenerators. Regenerators have specific to bitrate and modulation format, but optical amplifiers are insensitive to bitrate and modulation format. Next, we are going to discuss about process. There are two processes in optical amplifiers. Okay. First definition, next process. There are two processes in optical amplifiers. First one is stimulated emission. Next one is spontaneous emission. So there are two main processes in optical amplifiers: stimulated emission and spontaneous emission. First we are going to discuss about stimulated emission.